Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. And in this video I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A23 and A23 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to the headphone jack or the earphone jack of the device, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A23 and A23 5G. Let's watch the video.